raeshadbeats.com. Welcome back to another BeatNerd101 tutorial. And in today's tutorial, we are going to be making a boom bap hip hop 90s style beat. Now, if you've been watching my channel, then you should already know that I already have a boom bap tutorial beat video, but it was 2 years ago. I did that video 2 years ago, and the sound wasn't really on par. So I planned to make up for all that with part 2 with this video today. So we're gonna be working on a boom bap beat today. So with that being said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. I'm gonna set my tempo to at least 80. I'm gonna hear how it sounds first. And what I'm gonna do is, before starting with the percussion, I'm just gonna start with some keys, and I'll actually use FL keys just to make it simple for you guys. And let's see what we can come up with. So I'm gonna find some chords and we're gonna piece it together like that. So let's see what we can play with first. So I'm gonna break down the chord. We're gonna start with this first chord, which is F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, F, G sharp, C. And the main thing with boom bap, you want a nice melody going, and you want some simple yet hard hitting drums, and I'm going to show you how that works. Alright, so we got the first chord. Now let's work on our second one. So the next chord would be D sharp, F sharp, A sharp, C sharp, F. Each chord, we're just gonna walk it down. So our next chord would be F, G sharp, F, G sharp, C, D sharp. And what I did right there was, because I kind of did it without explaining it, but what I did was, after I did my third chord, I inverted it, and I'm gonna break that chord down for you in a second. So I want to make sure I move these, make sure these are on point. Always fix your notes, because when you fix your notes, you'll be able to have your melody in rhythm properly. Have it right here. So the chord I just played right here, from the inversion, is from F, G sharp, C, D sharp, but I bring G sharp to A. That's the only thing that changes. So then the last chord would be F, A, C, D sharp. So that's the last chord. Alright, now that we have a melody, let's go ahead and start working on some drums. I'm going to make this beat pretty simple because the main thing with boom bap beats, they're very simple. You know what I'm saying? Classic New York style beats, they're simple, but they require care when it comes to creating that rhythm with the drums to keep it authentic. You want to make sure your boom bap is authentic. Thing, you want to find like the perfect snare too. If you don't have the perfect snare for the boom bap, it's gonna be hard to keep it authentic. Paying attention to the rhythm, the kick, boom, 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 and then we'll loop it. So far so good. I'm gonna do a couple more things. I'm gonna add a counter melody with the keys. Make sure you guys understand the example of how to make it. So we got a nice little bass is stopping like that, but I'm gonna fix that. So now we got a cool little bass going on. I'm gonna add one more sound and we're gonna map this beat out. And I can already tell already, compared to my last video, this one's a little bit more simpler, which is good. If you checked out my old video of how to make a boom bap beat, then you'll see the difference. I'm pretty sure you'll see it. Try to add just a cool little lead on top of that, and then we'll wrap it up. I'm gonna just fix that though. So now that we have everything going for this boom bap beat, we're gonna map this out and we're gonna wrap this up. Go and duplicate everything and let's play what we got so far. Now mapping out boom baps is easy because you want to keep the drums rolling the entire time. Just break down your melodies. So I'm gonna start off with just my keys. Might even take the bass out for now.
Rashad.
Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make a boom bap beat in FL Studio. If you found this video helpful in any way, shape, or form, please like, comment, and subscribe. Be on the lookout for more Beat Nerd tutorials. And if you haven't got your hands on the Beat Nerd tutorial 101 course video with 10 plus videos and 150 minutes of making beats on how to make beats in FL Studio, I don't know what you're doing, but go ahead and copy below in the description below. You can get it for $50. Comes with 10 videos just like this, showing you how to make beats from start to finish in FL Studio. Now, be on the lookout for more tutorials. We'll be coming out with more content soon. And if you guys found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Rashad Beats out. Peace.
Rashad.